And races on Superior Art. Pass to begin, followed by Starbucks Fancy. Security General Danorin says, stop guessing something new. Inside the last 600, Superior Art, followed by Starbucks Fancy. Security General is running in third by Darrell, rushing up something new and stop guessing. Superior Arc by ahead, followed by Starbucks Fancy. Security General is making ground. Donori inside as they raise the last 250. Superior Arc and Security General moving up by Darrell to grab the lead. It's now Security General and Superior Arc on the outside and nearing the finish line. Number 1, Security General. Superior Arc. Something new, close. Stop guessing. Starbucks Fancy.
Okay, 1432.